it down. We're good.
In today's video, I'm going to be building a custom high clearance bumper that can take a beating for my Jeep Gladiator. So I've been wanting to build a rear bumper for the Gladiator for a while now, and I stumbled across this bumper from Jeep's BBG on Instagram. Got the idea from him for a very high clearance bumper, and he even integrated some really cool taillight protection. I'm going on the Rubicon in less than a week, so I need to get this bumper done. So hopefully I'm not getting hung up on the bumper too much. Goal is to gain, I don't know, 5 to 6 inches of clearance here, and possibly a couple inches on the side even. So we'll see. Bumper, tow hitch, bed slider, and the bed slider brackets have all been removed. As you guys saw earlier in the time lapse there, the hitch comes down super far. So we're gonna integrate the hitch into the bumper to get us a lot more clearance. It's looking like we are going to have to cut some out of the body possibly, or at least I'm not sure yet. Now I can actually like see what we're dealing with. So I gotta mock up some stuff. All right, we got the driver's side rear fender pulled off, and we're getting ready to make the first cut on the body here. We're taking out roughly 4 inches of the bed back here, straight across. And it got, so you guys saw me, this is a 4x3 by quarter angle iron. I got just the bottom 2 mounts in for now. I got the upper 2 marked. I'll drill those when I pull them out, but this should be strong enough for mock-up and everything. So we're gonna use some 2x3 188 wall for this high clearance bumper, and we're gonna have to, I can't start mocking up the main tube until I cut the bodies. So I guess we better get to cutting. So the first cut came out pretty good. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Took the fender off. So the 2x3 is gonna sit down underneath this and then come all the way over. So should work pretty good. This side took me about 30 minutes to cut. Quick update for you guys, got the main tube tacked in, got the hitch receiver tacked in. Next up, I'm gonna be working on angles for the corner and then taking that straight out. And then I'm gonna have to do something about this resonator because, as you can see, sits way too low, so handle that afterwards. But high clearance, we gained 6.5 inches of clearance at the hitch and about 4 inches on the side right here. Also, I removed did the fender chop on the rear fenders, so going to have to get some inner fender liners obviously to protect everything in there. but that gave us a lot more clearance. Might be able to run some bigger tires now. That won't be happening for a while. And obviously the whole bumper and license plate idea, like I said, was from Jeep's BBG on Instagram. And as you guys can see, the license plate mount just flips down. I'm gonna remake it. It's a little floppy. I'm gonna make it out of just some slightly thicker material, but for now this will do. And I got these little lights off Amazon. They're like bolts with lights in them, so I have a link down in the description below for that. And oh, also I had to cut off the resonator because it was hanging like so low. It just didn't make sense, so I chopped it there. It's out of the way. Sounds exactly the same, but so now I just need to get my twin ARB and 2.5 gallon air tank mounted in the next couple days before I leave for Rubicon. And yeah, that was a long weekend. Spent a lot of time getting those cuts and everything done on this thing, so pretty happy with how it turned out though. These are a little floppier now, but it almost might be a good thing if they rub up against something, they'll just flex more. I don't know. Thank you so much guys for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the high clearance bumper. I know it's not the popular option. It doesn't look probably as cool as some of the other bumpers out there on the market, but this is function over form. Departure angle, had to help it out. So see you guys in the next one.